Welcome back to the channel, Tech for You, Tech That Matters. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to monetize your YouTube video so you can start getting paid. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So what exactly is monetizing your YouTube videos? What exactly does it do? How do I get paid from YouTube making my content and putting it up on YouTube itself? How does YouTube know that I reached my milestone? Well, all those questions that you're asking yourself, especially if you're new to YouTube and you are new to creating content, I have all the answers. Now, I may not have all the answers, but I do have majority of the answers when it comes to monetizing your YouTube videos. Now, I've been a YouTuber since 2016, and I go ahead and I create content as much as I possibly can. Sometimes it's once a week, sometimes it's twice a week. Sometimes it's every 3 or 4 weeks that I put content on, but it really all depends on what I do in my daily life because, to be completely honest, we all have lives, we all have things to do. So the first thing you need to understand is it does take a little bit of time reaching that milestone to make money on YouTube. But I'm going to give you some key factors on what you need to do to help your channel grow, how to basically get paid at a reasonable pace. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have at least 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you have under 1,000 subscribers, and I hate to say this, but technically YouTube is going to see that and they're not going to acknowledge that until you reach that milestone marker. The second thing you need to do is make sure you at least have 4,000 watch time hours. So if you have 1,000 subscribers and you have 4,000 watch time hours, then you will be eligible to monetize your YouTube videos. That way you can start getting paid. Now, again, it does take time for your channel to grow and reach that milestone marker. It took me at least 6 months. I'm not going to deny that. It was frustrating at times, but I guarantee it, once you reach that marker and with enough patience and enough hard work, you guys can achieve this and reach your milestone. I mean, I did it. Right now, I'm bringing home between $250 to $1,600 a month, just making content and throwing it up on YouTube. So I'm going to let you know right off the bat that not everyone is going to like your content that you put up there. Some people may like it, some people may like it. You know, wait, did that make sense? Okay. So some people may like your content and some people may not like your content. That's what I was trying to say. So be prepared for that. Not every single video that you post on YouTube is going to help you make money. There's a lot of people out there looking for a lot of different content, and you have to understand that YouTube is one of the major platforms on the internet right now to watch videos, or how to learn tutorials, or how to do this or how to do that. I mean, a lot of people are looking up a lot of content, so don't expect someone to like your content and make comments and, you know, hoping that one video is gonna help your YouTube channel fly. And I mean, it really all depends on what your subscribers like to watch, and you have to understand that that's something that's typically what you need to focus on. You need to focus on what your subscribers want, what they like to watch, what they have help with, like, you know, if they need help with a tutorial, troubleshooting with their Android phone. I mean, think about something in those guidelines. So that's what I do. You know, I get comments left and right every day with a YouTube video that I posted 2 years ago, and I still help in answering their questions. I have another video I'm looking at it right now. I uploaded a video. Let me pick one. Let's say, okay, here's one. I uploaded a video called Best Android Apps of March 2020, and I basically uploaded this a month ago, and I have 241 views. So some videos are gonna go flying and some are not. Here's another example. 4 weeks ago, I have 1.1 thousand views, and that's with the Samsung Galaxy S10 and Note 10 One UI 2.1. So you have to be patient when publishing content on the YouTube and make sure that it catches your subscribers, or actually if it catches your viewer's eye. So that's really important. So what I'm going to do right now is go on to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the monetize feature so you guys can start getting paid from YouTube. If you are at 1,000 subscribers and you have 4,000 watch time hours, this is going to work for you, especially if you are new to YouTube. So once you're in your Creator Studio, you want to go down here into settings. Go into settings, and you want to go into your channel, go to feature eligibility, then go down to status and features. Once you get to status and features, you're going to have your checklist. Basically, it's going to tell you what you're eligible to enable. If you have any channel violations, copy strikes, things of that matter. But what you want to do is look for something that says monetization. Now, if it says you are eligible, you can go ahead and enable it here. Live streaming, embedded live streams, longer videos, content ID appeals, custom URL. Now, that's the thing. Once you reach this milestone, 112 subscribers, you are eligible to get your own custom URL for your YouTube channel. And that's very important so that people can find your YouTube channel and start looking at your content. And that's another way of earning money. So make sure you do that and stay on top of it. Then you get the external annotations. That's also important when it comes to monetizing your content. Custom thumbnails is also important when monetizing your content. That's pretty much it. That's basically how you monetize your content so that you can start getting paid by YouTube. So always make sure that you guys have at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours. Go into your Creator Studio, go into your channel, then go to status and features, and enable the monetization tab where I showed you just a second ago. Always make sure you have custom thumbnails, and always make sure that whatever you post, it grabs the audience's attention. And with that being said, I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope this was helpful. If it did help you guys, for those of you that are new to YouTube, leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you did like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. But until then, I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.